Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable auto connect Wi-Fi on your Windows 11. So if you want to choose manually Wi-Fi connection, usually when you go outside and you want to choose manually Wi-Fi nearby, you can turn off first the Wi-Fi auto connect. So first thing to do, you can open settings. You can click start and then settings. Here you can click on network and internet and choose Wi-Fi. Here you can choose a available networks. For example, you already connect into one of the Wi-Fi automatically. Of course, you can disable connect automatically when in range, so you can connect with this a Wi-Fi manually, not automatically. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next video.